Guess who's back? Trading 212. Yes, that's right. So if you are one of those people who's been waiting to open a new account with Trading 212, then you need to watch this video because I have some really exciting news for you. Hello and welcome to The Nimble Nomad. My name is Arjun and this is the channel where we talk about money and investing. So in case you aren't familiar, Trading 212 stopped new account registrations back in March and nobody has been able to create an account with Trading 212. So everybody that tried to open a new account on Trading 212's website was put on a wait list. Now, in this video, what I want to talk about is the recent announcement that Trading 212 has made. And the second bit is what that means for you from a perspective of being able to register. So Trading 212 put this announcement up a couple of days ago on their community forum. And basically what they've said is that they are now going to start opening registrations for new accounts. Now, back in March when the registration stopped, there was a lot of speculation as to whether it was because the platform couldn't handle the volume of accounts or whether there was some other reason such as Brexit which had caused it. From this announcement, what I can tell is that I think Brexit was the reason why they stopped registering and onboarding new accounts. And it seems like they've had to split their operation, something that they weren't previously ready for post-Brexit. So registering with a EU regulator and with being registered with the UK financial regulator as well. So I think the way that they've now operated is they've registered with the Cypriot financial regulator called SISEC, and in the UK they'll continue to be registered with the FCA as is a requirement in order to be a financial services provider. So if you are on the EU waitlist or you're an EU resident and you want to open a Trading 212 account, Trading 212 has said that they're going to start sending out magic links for you to be able to open a new account and start onboarding you onto the platform. UK users need to wait a little bit longer. If you're a UK resident and you want to register with Trading 212, the point is at this point you still can't. You're still probably going to end up on that wait list. But my recommendation is if you have already opened up an ISA this tax year, so basically you're only eligible for one stocks and shares ISA in the UK, but you want to have a Trading 212 account, I suggest you still go ahead and sign up for that registration on that wait list, because having access to the Trading 212 General Invest account is probably an easier mechanism for you to open up an ISA. So should there be some sort of a blockage or resistance to opening new accounts in the future, at least you're on Trading 212 so you can access their platform. So that's probably the first thing that I would do. The second thing is if you're already on the wait list, then you should be able to register very soon. So basically their announcement also said that they're going to open the UK registrations very imminently. They also did a Instagram post as well which said the same thing. So definitely worth considering. If you want to register for a Trading 212 account and you want to get a free share as well, I have a link in the video description below. By all means use that link, and if you do register with them, you could get a free share worth up to £200 if you sign up through that link. My recommendation is don't worry if you already have an ISA with another ISA provider this tax year and you can't use an ISA. You can open a new ISA in the new tax year, so 2022-23, and you will be okay. So my recommendation would be get on that wait list so that at least you have an account. So if in the future there are any problems or the high volumes result in people going back onto the wait list, at least you've gotten an account, because the basic fundamental is it's a lot easier to convert your account from a general invest account to an ISA account and vice versa, rather than just trying to open a new account altogether. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope it helped you out. Bit of a short video. Apologies if I was a bit repetitive. I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.